conversation. It was through a super weak link contact. And
how did you find him? How did you just shot him an email from what? From where did you find his contact?
So it was a girl that went to college with my girlfriend at the time.
Mm-hmm.
And it was so random because she said, hey, listen, I know this guy in Boston. I used to be his nanny. He's kind of a finance guy. I think he's really nice. Maybe he'll take your call. I don't know. It was like that out there.
That week. Yeah. That week of a link.
Totally. And so I sent him an email, and he sent me an email back. He actually works at this massive hedge fund. He's a PM there and just an awesome guy. And he grew up in the rural Midwest with no network, and he was a wrestler.
Perfect.
Yeah. And so, and he said, call me at market close the next day. And so I thought he was going to ask me, pitch me a long, pitch me a short, he's going to test my knowledge or whatever. He didn't ask me any of that. He got on the phone and he said, you have an hour of my time. Tell me your life story. What do you want to do? And I mean, it was crazy. And so I told him, my whole hopes and dreams, my whole aspirations, and he's listened to me the entire time. And he said, okay, great. Your only shot's a CFA. And I signed up that week and never looked back.